today's video, we're going way back to 1957, an absolute rock and roll classic by Buddy Holly and the Crickets. This is called Peggy Sue. I'm sure you know this song. In this video, I'm going to be showing you absolutely everything you need to know. We're going to go through all the chords, the strum pattern, which is a little bit crazy to say the least. Very basic chords, but I'll show you anyway. The lead solo, the lot. So if you're up for this, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go, let's get started. Right, let's get straight into it. So first, we're going to go through the main body of the song. Now, this is a classic 3-chord song, although there is a 4th chord in the bridge. Let's take you through the chords. So A, then D, then an E. There's your 3 chords. Every now and again, you might get you will get an A7, which is literally, you can bar 4 strings on the 2nd fret and put your 2nd or 3rd finger there on the 3rd fret of the E string. Optional. If you don't want to do that, don't, just stay in A. But if you want to play exactly like the record, there's an A7. And then later on in the bridge, as I said, there's going to be an F. F. Right? Anyway, let's get to the song. So first off, strumming pattern. In this song, I've seen the black and white video and I did a bit of research. Buddy Holly did like a downstroke. He was going like the clappers in the video. So down, 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 down. It was doing that. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'll slow that down for you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and right. So we got first chord A. If you knew, so that's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Peggy Sue D. A then D then A then A7. About Peggy D, my Peggy A D, A2 3 4 E2 3 4 A2 3, no sorry D2 3 4 A D A E. Then we're ready for the next verse. Okay. So again, like I said to you, all downstrokes. Let's go through that again. So it's going to go. 2, 3, 4. A2, 3, 4. D2, 3, 4. A2, D2. A2, 3, 4. D2, 3, 4. 2, 2. Then back to A, D. A2, 3, 4. E2, 3, 4. A, D2, 3, 4. A, D, A, E. So that's what's going on. Now full speed, that would be if you knew D, A, D, A, D, and back to A, D, A2, 3, 4, E, D, A, D, A, E. Bridge. Let's do the bridge for you. So we've got Peggy Sue, so it's A, and then we're going to go to an F. Okay, so it goes Peggy Sue, then to F, 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 back to A, and then D, E, back to A, D, A2, 3, 4, E2, 3, 4, D2, 3, 4, A. And that's the song. Okay, that is the song. It's literally between the A, D, E, A. Let's take you through one more time quickly where that A7 comes in. So we've got if you knew A, D2, 3, 4, A2, D2, A2. You can put the A7 right there. I feel blue. Now what you're looking at, you're going, hang on a minute, you told me to bar all 4 and then put a right. So what I've done there, another variation, you got A, just put a little finger there. That could work. That's A7. So you got that one to do, or you can bar all 4 and put your third finger there. Same thing, or you can put your second finger there. Same thing, A7, that's an A7. There we go. So that's how you play the verse and the bridge. Now let's move into that guitar solo. Buddy Holly, he does maintain the downstroke, but he doubles up as well. So let me take this to pieces for you. So what happens is, he goes, so let me play it through for you. So he goes, so. See, that's how that's doubled up. And then he goes. So. Okay, so let's take you through that. So we got da da da. So we got. So if we keep that 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and in the A to the D. So we got A to the D, and then we're gonna go. So we got, and then we've got 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and then we've got to go down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And that's going to be D to the A, D to the A. Okay, so that's how you got to, unfortunately, change that quickly. So we got, let's recap. To A, 2, 3, 4. A, D. Let's take you through that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, D, A. So we're going to go down, up, down. Is the first time you would do a down, up, down would be on the D, and then to the A. Then again. So all of them together will be, and then an upstroke on the E string to give you the next section. So we got see, and then we got, this is where it changes slightly. We got, so we're going to go da 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 on the D, and then we're going to lift our second finger off. So we've got, yeah, and then back to the A, D, A, and then what we're going to do, this thing where we lift off our third finger so that the B string can play open. Yeah? Like that. And then we're going to go up to a D. And then with our little finger, we're going to go off and on of the second fret of the B string, and then down to a D, D, A, D, A, E, and that's the whole guitar solo. So we got A, D, A, and then we're going to double up with the from the D to the A to the D to the A to the D to the A. And then upstroke, so you get that open E, and then we're going to go down on the D, da 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 da, so da 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 da, off, and back on again. That was the second finger, da da, off, on, and then back to an A, D, and then we're going to go off and on with the third finger. And then to E, and then we're going to get our little finger and plant it on the second fret of the B, and then D, A, D, A, E, all the way through. It's going to go. 2, 3, 4. A, D, A, D, A, D, A, D, 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 off, on, A, D, A. Right now, it's for me adapting to this all downstrokes thing is a bit tough. I'll be honest with you. It's more efficient strumming wise to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But that's not what Buddy Holly's doing. He's doing all downstrokes, so we've got to stay truthful to that. So that's so that's on, off, on, off, on, off, on, E. That's little finger. D, A, D, A, E, A, Peggy Sue, then F, 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 Peggy Sue, A, D, 2, 3, 4, D, and Peggy, A, D, A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, A, D. So there we have it, Peggy Sue by Buddy Holly and the Crickets. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always great to hear from you. Every Friday, 5 o'clock, hits from the 50s, 60s and 70s, and sometimes a little bit obscure every now and again. Throw you a little curveball, keep you on your toes. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it really does help me grow the channel, which helps me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So, all good. I will see you back here in the next video. Take great care of yourselves, guys. Always a pleasure. See you then. Bye-bye.